And what is that? Where's the girls?
He had a lot of games. He play all the time.
Yes, I want to.
Wow, you play that game. That's
This is my
sassy.
friend, not me, man.
I did play that game before.
His name is Aiden.
Yeah.
Or let's play Fortnite.
No,
His
Barry
favorite
Avenue.
Aiden. No,
What we play?
Battle Royale. Let's play this.
Okay, whatever you
This
say.
is a long time ago.
We play this game when we are kids.
Yes.
When I was like,
He was 10 years old. I am in almost 10 years old, guys.
guys, he's the greatest of playing, and I'm the second of playing this. Glider.
Oh, this is bazooka. This is a bazooka. I buy this for Robux. Look at this. Buy OP guns.
But
I see take the block in there.
we're duels.
Bugger.
We're duels, right?
We're teamers.
Yeah, come on, bro. Let's do.
Oh, you're gonna die, Bantut. He's gonna die, man.
Who's this? The bazooka.
No, it's Janguru Guru. It's Jangura Guru.
It's Jaden.
Kill that guy, Jangura Gugu.
Oh my God, they're
Jangura
hitting.
Gugu. Who's he said that, man? This girl is stupid, man. That's mine. This Snap. It's old skin.
Ow! Yeah, oh, leave me alone, guys. Hey,
Bantut. No, I die. No, cancel. Yellow shit.
to target
Man.
this guy.
I can kill my friend. Hello, you're gonna die.
Nah,
No.
not me. Ah!
I can kill. What? He's super flying. He's a hacker. No, dead.
I'm gonna kill you, friend.
No. We're teamers.
Ah!
No.
Revive.
Who's killed me? Is by lol. Okay.
I hate this place. I hate this.
I played this game before.
It's not. It's
Sorry,
bad.
I kill you.
Someone just kill me all the time. Because Aiden is a stupid nerdy guy in school.
Bunga ko blah blah.
Yeah. You know that.
Blah, blah.
Stupid. Guys,
No,
everyone
I
just
died with
loves
this
mango
Sloopy
food.
girl.
Everyone just love
Man,
mango
no.
food.
Oh, don't kill me. We're friends.
Where's the hacker?
I don't know the hacker. I found an admin.
Wait, I can
I
see
was
blue
in 10
houses.
years old now.
I'm not
It's viruses. Now. Oh, I did. I can
I
cancel.
did kill a single people.
You did kill a single one. I kill my friends. Oh, not. Help me, guys. But it's the end and like and subscribe.
Stop flying.
Surely, Lala is gonna die. Wow. Oh, don't kill me. We're friends, Peanut.
You're a peanut. And you just love some dual thingies. Where
I
you
killed
get
that guy, man.
Okay.
What?
Oh, there's a glider. Let's kill that people, guys. Admin and a control and their girlfriend.
This is cool, boy.
Yo, this is guy.
Boy. You a boy.
Bro, get
Don't
out.
kill me, bro.
Get out of the
He's
way.
gonna die. He's dead, man.
Bro.
I killed it. Man, easy.
Easy peasy, lemon.
Let's go kill this baboy. Man, slug.
I can see a hawker. Don't kill it. Who's this? Why is Tagalog? Ah! Guys!
You know Tagalog.
When we are an American.
Oh, yeah. This look like my friends. I can kill this. It's copy to my friends. Is there? Oi, don't kill me right now. It's gonna kill me. I'm gonna die.
No.
Diamond.
Let's break your house.
Sorry.
I'm getting a revenge.
Revenge me. I don't care. This is babae. I know girls in Tagalog. It's babae.
Yeah, we know.
Basuka.
This guy is so hairy.
Or someone look like knife, man. I can't kill this guy. Look like knife. Look like knife, man. There's my friend in real. What is that, butangina? Ano yan? What? I know Filipino, but what's putangina? Bye-bye. Bye-bye,
Kill the
Bami.
guy. 1 point for you.
Look at my leaderboard. I'm 18 kills. Knife is as 1 point. Swordman Void is 1 point. Taja Bazam 2 point. Tangier 5. Nina 167. Vilo 16. Zian 18.
I
There's
have
me,
3
the Zian.
points for me.
Nah, that girl. I can kill that baby girl. Oh, no. I don't like baby girl. You're gonna die, man.
I hate monkey dog. Monkey dog. Hey, come on.
Bam!
Come on.
Someone babae. Let's go. That. Someone kill me, man. Someone kill me. He killed my house, man. I just get that house for free.
Hey, how many Robux you got?
Only 0. Our Robux is now dead.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Our dad is not here. Our Robux must be 100.
I can dodge.
We're our kids. Sugala is now hedge. Not there's your twins. No, he's dead.
Hey, what you
Bantut. I can kill you, Ban. Ouch. Thing.
No black.
Your revenge.
Bantut girls, yan bro.
Zian, can you ban your brother? He always said sinamal.
Yes. Who's that? It's Banana Boy.
Who's that? This was the boss. Get this guy out of my way. Ow.
No! I just killed by that stupid guy. Bam! Shut the mouth up! Weimar, you're gonna die, Weimar.
Stupid.
Hey, let's go be a team. We're friends. We're now a team. Man gay.
Whatever.
I found a noob. I found a noob. Guys, I found a noob. I found a noob. Must be. Oh, who's that?
Let's kill this pro guy.
Kill that pro. I killed that noob.
I killed the pro. I did. I almost killed him.
Bye.
Don't summon.
This
In
kupal boy
Tagalog.
is bad.
I kill a
And
soldman.
we finish this YouTuber.
Who's
we can
killed
play
me?
the
Tangduzud.
strongest battleground.
Yes, we can 1v1 in private server. This! Na! This!
scale this new guy.
There's the one.
Look, just fight them.
No, come
I'm
in.
building a house.
Okay. I just fight them. I'm a parkour master. Wait, ouch.
This is a defense.
Where's everybody? Oh, don't kill me.
Who's that?
That's me. Oh, sorry, Peanut. Super funny.
It's okay, Orange.
No, you're a peanut.
You're orange.
No, you're a peanut.
You're orange.
Mm.
Sardines.
There are green leaders.
Sardines.
Sardines. Yeah, he's dead. I killed Basugul.
Can we just play another game when we finish this?
Not.
See you guys in part 2. It's fun, but
See you guys
What?
in part 3. Today,
bye.